Happy Textile Tuesday. I'm Leah with Meyer Fabrics, and today I'm in Franklin, New Hampshire at the Sulphite River Bridge. This is the last deck bridge in the United States, which means that the train ran on top of the bridge, and it is spanning the Winnipesaukee River, and it has a triple span over the river. It was also destroyed by arson in 1980. And a fun fact of the word Winnipesaukee, it's an Indian derivative, and the original word, if I can spell it correctly, is Winnipesaukee, and it literally translates to lakes region. It's really beautiful. It's super cold today, but it's a beautiful spot, and I'm going to come back in the summer and check it out again. Well, the cool thing about going on a rail trail is that you find really interesting things out in the woods. Here's this beautiful bench. It says, "All nature sings, and round me rings the music of the spheres." So today I'm highlighting our new collection of Kryptons. This is the pattern Function. It has a beautiful linen look. It's really soft. It's 100,000 double rubs. It is perfect for commercial and residential. Did I say $28.45 a yard? Can you believe that price? And all these colors are fashion inspired. Thanks for joining me. I had a fun time looking at this bridge. See you next week. If you need samples, reach on out.